Agnes here, filming from home. I'm going to create a technique called hair strobing. It's my own interpretation. I'm going to use Colorance, and what the idea behind it is that you get a multidimensional color play, but in a very easy way to do it. What's really important is that you use two colors that are not too separate from each other. So maybe one level, maybe cool and warm, but not too much contrast. Let's start. What's so nice with this technique is that you can use it for your nice brunettes, for your red clients, but also for your blondes, because it's a beautiful natural flow of color. So that's why it is important that you don't have that too much contrast within your color play. I hope you like the work. If you want to see some more from us, follow us, and hope to see you in the next video with some amazing color.